Hello everyone. When it comes to high-tech pig farming, people often mention the Nordic countries with their closed, hygienic farming models. But the most asked question is what needs to be done to transform pig farming from traditional to high-tech and sustainable. Let's join Trending Farm in a deeper dive into the documentary exploring the operations of farms and food factories to shape your farm trends. Are you ready? In Denmark, the pig farming landscape has changed dramatically, with the number of farms dropping to just 2,600 by 2021. As the number of small farms shrinks, we're seeing the rise of huge, cutting-edge operations where farmers raise multiple species, not just pigs, all under one high-tech roof. And even though farm numbers are down, the pig population hasn't budged much. 13 million pigs were still being raised across the country in 2020-21. With 3.1 million destined for pork production. Denmark has deep roots in pig farming, and pork is more than just a product. It's a point of pride. Known for exceptional quality, Danish pork is produced by farmers who are all about keeping their animals healthy and comfortable. These farms aren't just factories. They're communities of farmers committed to constant improvement in animal welfare. Modern farms take special care in designing areas for sows and piglets to improve their health, welfare, and growth. For instance, many high-tech facilities use farrowing pens with adjustable flooring that maintains an optimal temperature, often around 86 degrees Fahrenheit for piglets, while keeping the sow comfortable at a cooler temperature. These pens often feature automated feeders and waterers which provide sows with precisely measured portions, sometimes up to 6 gallons of water daily, to support milk production. In addition, advanced piglet areas now use soft bedding and heat lamps, which have been shown to reduce piglet mortality by as much as 15. And even feature creep areas where piglets can explore safely while the sow rests, ensuring both comfort and safety for the young. Automatic feeding systems on farms bring a host of benefits, making operations more efficient while improving animal health. These systems precisely measure and distribute feed according to each animal's needs, which can increase feed efficiency by up to 15 and help farmers cut down on waste. They also allow for consistent feeding schedules, which reduces stress for animals and promotes healthier growth. Additionally, automatic feeders free up labor, allowing farmers to focus more on animal welfare and other farm management tasks. Six, combining livestock with agriculture, growing feed crops on site for self-sufficiency, creates a sustainable model that reduces reliance on external suppliers and transportation costs. By cultivating crops like corn, barley, or soybeans directly on the farm, farmers can produce feed that's fresher and more nutrient-rich. This closed-loop system also makes it easier to recycle livestock manure as fertilizer, enriching the soil and cutting down on synthetic fertilizers. Ultimately, this approach benefits both livestock and the environment, creating a balanced and efficient ecosystem within the farm. The surrounding environment plays a crucial role in pigs' growth rates, as temperature, humidity, and air quality directly impact their health, comfort, and appetite. Optimal conditions help pigs maintain a stable body temperature, reducing stress and encouraging consistent feeding, which leads to better growth rates. Danish farmers use advanced ventilation and temperature control systems to keep barn environments in the ideal range, often around 68 to 77 dec for growing pigs. These systems ensure fresh air circulation, removing excess moisture and gases like ammonia that can otherwise harm respiratory health. By managing these environmental factors, Danish farmers can maintain healthier herds with improved feed efficiency and faster, more uniform growth rates. Have you ever wondered how farmers keep track of each pig's health and growth in large-scale, high-tech farms? Modern farms now use smart monitoring systems that track everything from pig movement to feeding habits. Imagine sensors and cameras working 24/7, recording each pig's activity, how much they eat, how often they rest, and even how they interact with other pigs. These systems can alert farmers instantly if a pig shows unusual behavior, like eating less or moving less, which could be an early sign of illness. What's even more impressive is that some farms use AI-driven software to analyze this data. Helping farmers make quick, informed decisions to ensure each pig is healthy and thriving. Would you believe that such technology could actually boost farm productivity and animal welfare? Danish farmers prioritize a safe and clean environment for their pigs by implementing strict disinfection and sanitation systems throughout their operation. Before entering pig barns, workers must go through biosecurity checkpoints that include foot baths filled with disinfectant to eliminate pathogens, helping to maintain a low disease risk. According to Danish agricultural authorities, nearly 90 of pig farms follow these biosecurity protocols, utilizing advanced sanitation techniques like pressure washing and steam cleaning to regularly disinfect housing and equipment. This commitment to hygiene not only protects the pigs, but also reinforces Denmark's reputation as a leader in high-quality pork production, ensuring livestock health and welfare. On high-tech farms, pigs are typically ready for shipping and harvest in about 6 months, reaching a weight of about 280 pounds. The process begins with careful monitoring of their growth and health to ensure they meet quality and size standards. Once the pigs are ready, they are transported to a state-of-the-art food factory, where they are humanely handled and processed. At the food factory, advanced systems streamline the harvesting process, ensuring efficiency and compliance with safety regulations. Every step, from stunning to handling and processing, is designed to minimize stress on the animals and maximize quality. With state-of-the-art equipment, the food factory maintains high sanitation standards, further enhancing the quality of the final pork product. Ultimately, the combination of meticulous farming methods and advanced food factory technology ensures that consumers receive top-quality meat while prioritizing animal welfare. Efforts to reduce carbon emissions in pig farming are gaining traction through innovative practices such as waste recycling, biogas production, and solar power. Farmers are increasingly recycling livestock manure into organic fertilizer, which cuts down on synthetic fertilizers and reduces emissions. In addition, the adoption of solar panels is becoming more widespread, with some farms reporting up to a 50% reduction in energy costs. By generating clean energy, farms can reduce their reliance on fossil fuels, which in turn reduces carbon emissions. These efforts highlight the agricultural industry's commitment to promoting sustainability in modern food plants while prioritizing environmental responsibility. By adopting smart farming practices and focusing on environmental stewardship, the industry can meet market demand while contributing to global food security and sustainability. Don't forget to subscribe to Trending Farm and turn on the notification bell to see us in more exciting cooking videos in the future. Bye. Buffalo farms in China are a fascinating blend of traditional practices and modern designs, as seen in many farming documentaries. These farms, often spread across hundreds of acres, house herds ranging from 500 to 5,000 buffalo, depending on the scale of operations. Designed with efficiency and animal welfare in mind, they feature open barns with dirt floors, natural ventilation systems, and large grazing pastures to ensure optimal health and productivity. Farmers invest significant resources in land development, with some dedicating over $1 million to infrastructure improvements and advanced feeding systems. And interviews with farm owners reveal their commitment to sustainable practices and innovative approaches, which have propelled buffalo farming into a lucrative industry. Feeding buffaloes on farms is a meticulously planned process to meet their high nutritional demands for optimal growth and productivity. Each adult buffalo consumes an average of 25 to 35 pounds of fresh grass daily, supplemented with 10 to 15 pounds of grains like corn and barley. To boost their health and milk production, farmers often provide mixed feed enriched with essential vitamins and minerals, adding approximately 2 to 3 pounds of supplements per buffalo daily. In total, buffaloes require a balanced diet with a protein content of 12 to 16% and a daily energy intake of around 30 to 40 megajoules. The carefully measured feeding in the farming documentary practices not only ensure the animals' well-being, but also enhance their output, contributing significantly to the success of buffalo farms. Transporting buffalo to farms is a carefully managed process to ensure the animal's safety and health. Specialized vehicles equipped with ventilation and cushioning are used to minimize stress during transit. In China, over 2 million buffalo are transported annually, primarily to farms in regions like Guangxi and Yunnan, which are renowned for their fertile lands and favorable climate for buffalo rearing. Guangxi boasts the largest buffalo herd in China, with over 1.2 million head, making it a leading hub for both dairy and meat production. This meticulous transportation and farming setup play a key role in the success of buffalo farming in these areas. Milking a buffalo in a factory setting is a streamlined process that typically takes about 5 to 7 minutes per animal. Modern automated milking systems ensure efficiency and hygiene, making the process much faster and more reliable than traditional methods. As seen in many farming documentaries, these systems are designed to prioritize the health and comfort of the animals. The process begins with cleaning and sanitizing the buffalo's udder to prevent contamination. Once the buffalo is prepared, a milking machine is connected to its udder, using gentle vacuum suction to extract milk in a way that mimics natural feeding. On average, a single buffalo produces 6 to 8 liters of milk per day, and large-scale farms can collect up to 10,000 liters daily from their herds. Experts featured in farming documentaries often highlight the importance of proper udder health. Stress-free environments, and strict hygiene protocols during the milking process. Processing buffalo cheese in a factory is an intricate process, often highlighted in farming documentaries, showcasing the transformation of 100 liters of buffalo milk into approximately 10 kilograms of high-quality cheese. The milk, valued for its 8% fat content and 4% protein, is first pasteurized to ensure safety. Enzymes and rennet are added to form curds, which are cut, drained, and shaped into varieties like mozzarella and burrata. Advanced temperature and humidity controls help perfect the aging process, which can range from a few days to several months. This meticulous method produces creamy, flavorful cheese that meets global demand. Buffaloes are typically harvested for meat when they reach 3 to 5 years of age, ensuring optimal body mass for meat production. As seen in farming documentaries, the process begins with a thorough health inspection to ensure the buffalo is disease-free. Once cleared, the buffalo is humanely slaughtered using a controlled method to minimize stress. The carcass is then processed, with cuts like lean meat, fatty meat, and organs being carefully separated. Buffalo meat processing requires skilled experts trained in meat inspection, hygiene, and food safety. Large facilities can process hundreds of buffalo daily, producing up to 100,000 tons of meat annually.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe, and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello, and see you again.